Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make columns in Google Docs. Creating columns is useful for newsletters, brochures, articles, and other documents where you want your text to appear in multiple sections across the page. So let's get started. First, open Google Docs on your computer. Open the document where you want to create columns. Next, select the text you want to place into columns. If you want the entire document to use columns, you don't need to select any text. Now, click Format at the top of the page. From the menu, select Columns. You'll see several options, including 1 column, 2 columns, and 3 columns. Select 2 columns. Your text will now be displayed in 2 columns. If you want to create 3 columns instead, go back to Format, select Columns, and choose 3 columns. You can also customize the columns by selecting more options. From there, you can adjust the number of columns, the spacing between them, and add a line between the columns if needed. Once you're happy with the settings, click Apply. Your document will now use the column layout you selected. If you want to return to the normal layout, go back to Format, select Columns, and choose 1 column. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make columns in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Docs tips, productivity tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next video.